Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add a link in your Canva. First step is to open your browser and open your Canva. And here, as you can see that I have already uploaded this photo. And on this photo, if I want to add a link that will direct me into the Netflix home, then I have to right click, and here you can see different options. And here you can see link option, click on link. Now here type in the URL of the Netflix. Here, I have already copied it, so I'm gonna paste it here. Now click on done. After this you can see that link has been added in this photo. Now click on download, and you have to make sure that your file type should be in PDF standard. It will not work on PNG or JPG, so make sure that you are choosing PDF standard. Now click on download. After your download is completed, you can simply open it, and if you click on this image, it will directly lead you to a Netflix page. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.